Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever wished for snow on a cold day and just gotten rain? It turns out, making a snowflake is a super special, secret recipe. The recipe starts high up in the clouds. You need two main ingredients: tiny, invisible water droplets called water vapor, and air that is freezing cold. But the water vapor can't turn into snow on its own. It needs a tiny, secret seed to grab onto like a microscopic speck of dust or pollen. This is the most magical step. The water vapor jumps directly from a gas to a solid, skipping the liquid stage. This is called deposition. Because of the way water molecules like to hold hands, this baby ice crystal always forms a beautiful six-sided shape called a hexagon. Now, this baby crystal starts to grow. More water vapor freezes onto it, building out those six corners into beautiful, lacy arms. The crystal tumbles and spins through the cloud, and every little change in temperature or moisture adds a new, unique layer. Because every crystal takes a different path, this is why it's said that no two snowflakes are ever exactly alike. Finally, the crystal becomes too heavy for the cloud to hold. So it begins its long, slow fall down to Earth. But its journey isn't over. To land as snow, it has to stay frozen all the way down, to Earth. If the air near the ground is too warm, the perfect crystal melts and lands as rain. This is why it can be cold, but not quite cold enough to snow. But if the air stays below freezing all the way to the ground, touchdown! It lands as a beautiful, fluffy snowflake. It takes millions and millions of these tiny, six-sided crystals to cover the world in a beautiful, quiet blanket of snow. So next time you see snow, or just wish for it, remember the amazing secret recipe that turns invisible air into a one-of-a-kind frozen treasure. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.